Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. New year, a new beginning. So I decided to start with some quick healthy food, and what could be better than a what I eat in a day video. Definitely I was eating healthy last year, but this year I want to focus more on quick recipes for effective time management. I start my day with warm water with some lemon, honey and cinnamon. I'm regularly following this routine and it has helped me a lot to lose tummy fat, which is a major concern of moms post-pregnancy. Combination of cinnamon and honey is best for weight loss. Cinnamon has thermogenic properties which produces heat through metabolic stimulation. It not only reduces belly fat but also reduces overall body fat. For breakfast, I'm eating avocado sandwich. Cut the avocado in half using only the tip of the knife and scoop out. And add some chopped onion, tomato, cucumber with pinch of chaat masala, salt and squeeze in some lemon. Mix them nicely and your dip is ready. Avocado is incredibly healthy. It is loaded with heart-healthy monounsaturated fatty acids. It has fibers and also lowers cholesterol. And eating avocado also helps to lose weight. When I got avocado for the first time and tried without adding anything else, I just don't like the taste. But when I ate this dip at our neighbor's place, avocado became the permanent item of our grocery list. And ginger tea once in the morning is must have, especially during these winter days. Eating some kind of fruit every day is very important, especially in winters, which brings in cold and cough virus, and who has time to get sick. So eat right to prevent infection, and oranges are just the food that will help the body to produce high levels of antibodies and white blood cells that fight and throw out the infection causing bugs and keep the seasonal diseases away. For lunch, I am eating tomato rice and chickpea. I have some boiled chickpeas, so I tried making a kind of healthy version with just 1 spoon of oil. I just love this KitchenAid chopper, which saves lots of my cooking time. Once pan is hot, I added just 1 spoon of oil, some cumin seed, and this is my chopped onion, garlic and ginger. adding some salt, turmeric, coriander powder and saute in low flame. Add 1 chopped tomato and then add boiled chickpea. Adding some garam masala, add some water, garnish it with coriander leaves and it's done. I'm adding some yogurt, onion, cucumber, chili and little bit of chaat masala. You can call it chickpea chaat or chickpea salad, whatever be the name, it tastes delicious. If you need the recipe for tomato rice, please let me know in comments. For dinner, I am having lentil soup with all the veggies, great for winter days. I simply wash, dry and roasting moong dal, added some carrot, cauliflower and spinach. Some chopped tomatoes, salt and give it around 2 to 3 whistles. For tadka, just saute some cumin seed, onion, ginger, garlic in 1 spoon of ghee. Adding the spices, turmeric, coriander powder. When you are cooking in less oil, always fry in low flame, and if you feel spices are sticking in your pan, just add in little water. And super healthy dal is ready for the dinner. This is all about what I ate today. If you want me to do more such kind of videos, please let me know in comments. And please give it a thumbs up, share with your friends, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe. And always hit the bell button to get notifications for all my future uploads. See you soon in my next one. Till then, take care and keep making memories. Bye-bye.